Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about letting go process. Yogastira Virati Nirodha. Sutra 1. Patanjali's classic response to the question, what is yoga? States that yoga is a process of blocking the patterns of consciousness. In this context, blocking does not mean suppression, but an ability to let go and flow with the various patterns of consciousness. This is precisely the capacity acquired through Yoga Nidra training. As we have seen in the preceding discussion of our own research, the person who can let go of his normal state in response to stress and then relinquish the awakened state once the stressful situation is over, let go of his normal waking state in order to relax deeply, then again emerge from that relaxed state when the situation demands, is the one who possesses a psychophysiological maturity. He can truly cope with all life situations with awareness, control the nervous system and its responses, and live a balanced, happy and fruitful life. Each of the other 4 types defined on the ESR test illustrates some form of mental obstruction to this letting go process, preventing a balanced functioning of the autonomic nervous system, hence an imbalance between Ida and Pingala, between mental energies, Mana Shakti, and vital energies, Prana Shakti. In yogic physiology, we know that when Ida and Pingala are balanced, the spiritual energy flows and the state of meditation exists. While in yoga therapy, it is imbalance between these 2 forces which is the root cause of mental imbalance and psychosomatic disease. The beauty of the experiments conducted in the stress reduction program lies in the fact that they clearly illustrate Swami Satyananda's statement that all the yogic practices, without exception, are orientated towards producing the state of meditation in daily life by balancing Ida and Pingala, thus gaining control over the functioning of the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems. It also shows that irrespective of the precise problem, there is always a range of yogic techniques to counteract it and move the system towards balance. Similarly, we must be well aware that certain practices can be unsuitable in specific states of imbalance. Yogic techniques are like powerful medicines and should not be prescribed without experience. Although 5 distinct types of psychophysiological behaviors have been described, there is actually no clear-cut and distinct demarcation between each one. For example, some people begin to exhibit a normal relaxation response only to become stuck at a certain point, or sometimes even awake, once a certain level of relaxation is attained. The first situation suggests that there is a blockage to the relaxation process at a certain subconscious level, while the second situation indicates that this blockage is actually causing fear or distress, such as may occur when a repressed traumatic experience which has not been fully resolved is confronted. These obstructions often recur for the same person at the same stage of Yoga Nidra, which helps in assisting the person to recognize and assess the problem and then let it go.